Hi everyone, this is Aya, and in today's video, I have a very fun challenge for you guys. Last week, I published a video about art block, and one of the solution I mentioned that you can take inspiration from nature or from things we own. For example, I'll show you one of my dresses and bag and my vest. So it's always, easier said than done. So I said, okay, let's take a step and make this challenge. So here I'm challenging you and myself to create a project, and this project is inspired by something, either, by nature, by your garden, or by, a tree or a flower or whatever things you see in nature, or for example, a bag you have, or a design carpet maybe, or a wall decor, or a mug even. Anything. Just avoid social media inspiration, Pinterest and Instagram, and just check things around you. So here I'm showing you my vest. I'm not sure what we call this. One's like a long open jacket, or I don't know. We call it vest. Anyway, so I'm trying here to take the same design, say it, imitate the design or copy it. I want to say copy it exactly, just trying, to imitate the design and the colors. So here I have a 12 by 12 canvas, and to reach this color, I mixed black, blue, and orange. Then for the flowers arrangement, I'm just trying to see the same image, printed on my vest. So I have here some, orange, white, and beige, and light pink or light orange or beige, I don't know. So try to take different flowers. It doesn't have to be perfect, doesn't have to be 100% same as the image. Just be inspired from the design and the colors. Here is the challenge. You're going to create any sorts of project, mixed media, card, art journal, even if a piece of paper, anything. Just try to work and create something. So, but try not to see something, on Instagram, something that you have in your house or in your garden, for example. So when you create this project, take a picture from this project and also for the something that you have been inspired to. So for example, let's say that you have a white mug with gold polka dot. So you're going to create like a white background and just make a gold polka dots. It's easy. It's very simple, very easy. And you're going to take a picture for your paper or art journal and for that mug, the white with a gold polka dot. Doesn't have be something fancy or something oh la la. No, just as simple as you can. This challenge will be run for this month. I'm gonna write the steps and everything in here in the description box on YouTube, but this challenge will run over my Instagram for one reason, that I can share your work. So when you mention or tag me in your project, I can share it and post it on my stories. Another thing, Emma was really, really kind to sponsor this giveaway. Emma is the owner of My Creative Time. I'm going to leave her YouTube channel and her shop if you're not familiar with her. So she is giving 25 gift certificate from her shop. And this is amazing. So let's spice things up. My final project for you guys, inspired completely by my vest or my dress. I cannot wait, to see what you're going to create. Again, all the steps and everything will be written here and also on Instagram. But please do check my Instagram because the giveaway and everything will be over there. And I just, shared it here on YouTube if you are interested. Thank you so much. I love you so much. And I really thank you for your like and for your comments. Really means a lot to me. And I will see you there over my Instagram. Bye, guys.